Amphenol ICC RJHSE series modular jacks are robust, tab-up EMI quiet modular jacks and are offered with various shield options to meet a wide range of EMI needs. The RJHSE series also offers integrated LEDs that can be configured with single color or bicolor options for each LED, or the connectors can be configured without LEDs. Jacks are available with 1 to 8 ports in right-angle configurations, as well as a single-port vertical mount option, with all available in 8P8C and 6P6C variants. The jacks have phosphor bronze hard temper contacts with gold over nickel plating in the contact area and are rated for up to 750 mating and unmating cycles. The RJHSE series has a -55 to +85 degrees Celsius temperature range and is RoHS compliant.